Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. How you doing? So I'm going to make some burgers today, but these burgers are pretty spicy. Loads of Indian kind of flavors in there. They're really, really delicious. Now I'm using beef. Now I know there's a lot of Hindus obviously in India who don't eat beef, but if you want, use lamb, use chicken. It's up to you. So I suppose it's a bit more kind of what you consider Muslim burgers. But yeah, I'm using beef. They're absolutely divine. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in this orange bowl, which we're going to be mixing everything in, I've got 800 grams of a ground beef, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 1 teaspoon each of the following: salt, pepper, garam masala powder, turmeric, chili and cumin, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro or coriander, and here I've got some chopped chili. I've chopped it really nice and small. I mean, you can add as much or as little as you like. I've probably got, I think there's about 4 or 5, small regular size chilies. What we're going to do, everything goes in the bowl, little mix. Okay, so I'm going to use my hand. So I've got a glove on. Use a spoon if you want. We're going to drop in the 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper and garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, chili and cumin, as much or as little fresh chili as you like, chopped cilantro or coriander, and the garlic ginger paste. In I go, nice mix. See you in a moment. Okay, and there you go, just a couple of minutes, give it a nice squeeze with my hands there. We can move on now. Okay, so I've got a flat griddle, frying pan or something like that you're going to need. I've put a little bit of oil on there, just rubbed it on. Here we've got our burgers. I just turned them into 4 patties or burgers, I mean, you can do more if you want, but I think these are a good size. We're on quite a high heat. We're going to drop these on and I'm going to cook these. Well, you can cook them for however long you like. Some people like them overcooked or well done or under. I'm going to go for about 4 minutes aside. I'll be flipping them a few times. Just simple, beautiful, spicy burgers. Okay, off goes the heat. That's good for me. Like I say, cook them exactly how you want. They're lovely and juicy still. Got a nice little bounce on them. Beautiful. Let's just get them together. Okay, so what I'm going to need you to do is get the oven on. You need to get your oven on really high heat, maximum heat. Now here's my buns. Now my buns are quite a bit smaller than my burgers. Deliberately, I like the meat hanging over the side. What we're going to do is we're going to get some green chutney. You can buy this, in most stores. Well, depending on where you live, but yeah, it's basically mint, chili and coriander. It's really fabulous. And we're going to go on there. And the reason I need you to get your oven on is because these are going to go in the oven for a quick blast, which I'll show you in a moment. That is delightful. This stuff's really, it's quite spicy, but it really is really good. Okay, then we're going to go the burger. You can see it's bigger than the bread. Okay, now we're going to put one more little chutney on there. Now this one is called a Delhi chutney. So it's quite sweet, but sour as well. It's kind of a tamarind type of affair. You can just put ketchup on these if you want, but that is fabulous. Then we're going to go cheese. I've got some Emmentaler or sliced cheddar. Beautiful. Now we're going to put the tops on. So you can see that I've now put the tops of the buns on. I've then put another piece of cheese on top of that, and I've just sprinkled that with a little bit of chili powder. They need to go into a very hot oven, so preheat your oven. Don't put them into a cold oven. Nice hot oven. Stick them in 5 or 6 minutes. Beautiful. Okay, there you go. They look beautiful, don't they? Lovely little spicy beef sliders. And like I say, if you want, you could use lamb or chicken. Bit of onion, cucumber, tomato, little bit of cilantro, coriander on the top. They are divine. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.